Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to send files using Shareit. So to send files using Shareit, you have to first of all make sure to install the application on your device, and then to begin with, check your internet connection and open up the Shareit application. So when you open up the Shareit application, this is basically how you can see the interface. So then to send the file, you need to click the send button located right on top, and here you need to go to the file section. And here you need to select the file that you wish to send. So I'm going to send this one and click the send button. As you do that, you need to grant the permission or enable all sort of permission, go through it, and accordingly you need to make sure that the device that you're sending or the receiver's device should be nearby, and make sure that the other person has also installed Shareit application, and he or she will be able to receive the files using the Shareit app. So that's how you can send files using Shareit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.